All right, what's up, guys? My name is Shibata, and I'm new to affiliate marketing, and I have started my ClickFunnels for like a few months now, and I'm starting to see the results, and it's amazing. I just got paid for the first time. My ClickFunnel first paid the has been transferred to my PayPal account, $1,240 something, which is really good. That's for just promoting ClickFunnels, and it's amazing because it's monthly recurring revenue, and I love it. I love how we build passive income by just spreading the words and telling people how cool ClickFunnels is, and it really is an amazing tool. It's probably one of the best software tools exist these days. All right, so I want you guys to have a little look at my ClickFunnels dashboard. Now I have I checked this afternoon, and I see new people signing up for the trials, and I got 3 new trials today, and which is really awesome. I think I've finally understand and found a way how to promote my affiliate links using ClickFunnels and starting to generate money, and it's really good. So let's go check it out. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe and hit the like button, like it and share it if you think it's useful, this video. All right, and I'll be uploading videos like this, sharing the informations and good tips for becoming successful using ClickFunnels. All right, thank you guys. All right, so we are here in my ClickFunnels dashboard, and as you can see today, August 3rd, I have 28 views and 10 opt-ins. All right, 10 for me is wow. I used to be, if you're having a problem finding traffics, and you don't get any people opting into your funnels, I do understand, man. Really, I do, because I used to be I used to have the same worries and the same headaches as you have right now. So right now, when you really understand how to do it, you really get the traffic and the views, and the people start to opt in to your funnels. I promise you that. See, and let me just show you. I would like to share this with you guys. My today earning, I earned $18, $18.8, and for last 30 days I got 276.40 cents. All right, and let's check out my dashboard. Although I just started for only a few months, and I just finally getting conversions, and I'm getting people who actually just opt in and sign up for ClickFunnels accounts through my affiliate links. So I'm gonna share with you guys how I did it. Basically, just by promoting ClickFunnels only. So I just got my first paid from ClickFunnels, as I showed you earlier, $1,246, which I really think it's amazing, how I made this funnel, and people start to really actually opt in. So I didn't make anything for the last 7 days until today, August 3rd, which is my birthday. All right, and yeah, I made $18 today. So pending, I'll get paid the next payment. I'll get at least $295. Yeah, and anyways, let's check out what I did and what happened to to my ClickFunnels. All right, see, what I got today is 2 new trials, and currently trialing 3 currently trialing accounts. All right, so lifetime value LTV is 315 and all that, and just yeah, and potential trials LTV 261, and potential trials MRR, which means monthly recurring revenue, and I'm starting to get people opting in, seriously. See, today I get 2. I didn't get any yesterday, and the day before I got 1. 30th I got 1. All of these people in my mailing list, they just opt in, and then it's amazing, man. once you understand how you do it, how you get people to believe you, and leverage, just trying to give them something that is useful for them, they really started to follow you, and they want to have you as their coach. It's not like coach, but it's like, yeah, they will believe you, when you really get yourself into the game, and start to do some serious funnel that well, anyways, let's see. All time, get 8 new trials. Currently trialing 3 of them, and yeah, as you can see, well, these are the monthly recurring revenue that I will get, which is really amazing. So what did I sell? I sell 1 black box book bundles, all right, right here, $29, and 1 expert secrets book. Expert secrets is like a free book from ClickFunnels. Like, I mean, you don't have to pay anything, only pay for the shipment. They will pay you for the book, and they will have it sent to your house, all right? So you just pay for the shipment only, all right? So what else did I sell? Not much, yeah. I sold 3 of these books, the network marketing secrets, and I got 2 1 funnel away challenge, which is really cool, like $100 each time that anyone sign up for your 1 funnel away challenge link. And how do you get the link? Oh, it's easy, yeah. You just come here, you see the 1 funnel away challenge, you just click on here, affiliate tools, get my link there, then you'll get your link, right? So basically I got like, yeah, Actionetic, 3 of them, full suits funnel hacks, which is like $98.8 dollars for 1 sale, only 1 transactions. Full suits 118, and 2 startup. Amazing, huh? Well, all of this what you're seeing right now happens within just 3 months, like, of seriously promoting ClickFunnels, right? So it's pretty amazing, and I love it. And you guys can do it too. Just you just have to understand how, and well, even let me just show you my funnel, the one that everything the one that really convert, and people start to sign up through this link, all right? So here we are. This is the one. All right, just check out how it looks. Damn, I have to close these tabs, man. Crazy, man. Well, it looks like this, all right? Let me just refresh this. Looks like this, all right? ClickFunnels trials, free trials. Well, I have it in Thai language and English as well, so that people in my country, I live in Thailand, by the way. So I explain, hey, what is ClickFunnels? Why is it so good? And that the affiliate programs and so good, so great. I have an explaining video for them to watch, and it's in Thai. But then, yeah, see? Well, you guys can check it out in my website, ariyashibata.com. All right, just join my free ClickFunnels training. See, leverage. I'm trying to give them what is useful for them. If they join my list here, they get to the sign up page of ClickFunnels, which I use my affiliate links, of course, and they get the free training that I'm gonna give, which is which basically are the videos that I have on YouTube and all that. See here, I have the English version, and they want to book the free cookbook, which they can get it for free, download the PDF. And yeah, I just basically give them informations, and then giving them free trainings and all that, all right? And I offer them, if they join my list, they get the free templates. They can download it right away. So all they have to do is just signing up, opt in to my list, and join my emailing list, and then they get right away. They will get all these free gifts free bonus that I offer. So basically, I'm trying to give them values. All right. Here, do you see this Bluehost tab right here. Let me just go back, sorry. Bluehost, okay. Here, I just put on one of my affiliates link, which is the Bluehost, all right? If you guys need any web hosting or, if you guys ever need to use Bluehost, well, you're always welcome in my website. So it's my affiliate link, okay? Here is I just put everything that I could, see, what is your dream car? I just put everything that I could, possibly have, and I just shared to them, and then that's all. It's all that I did, just like that. And this is the only funnel that I really actually used to, make all this money. All right. So, all right, guys. What I really wanted to share to you guys is that do not just give up. Do not just give up just because it's hard. It's difficult. It seemed difficult at the beginning. It always is. But every success in this world, there is a price tag on it, and you actually have to pay for becoming successful in, I don't know, any kind of success in this world. I believe that there's a price tag. See, from the July 27, only 7 days, I have like 21 opt-in, which 35% is pretty high, man. I got like 144, and this is like the real cold traffic. I do not pay for it. It's like the free traffic, all right? And 60 uniques page view and 21 opt-ins. So, I'm trying to, make sure that everybody in my country sign up with me. That's my goal. And all right, right now, this video, I know my English is not perfect, but I'm trying to, share to you guys what I did and how I did it. Just, because I believe that for someone who is starting and is confusing where to start, and hey, am I doing the right thing? Am I, really actually promoting the right way? Well, don't be afraid and just do what you think is necessary. Just make sure that you do the study, do your research, and well, just you have to put it into actions and then see what happens. All right. Do not just think and you can pre-evaluate, but do not prejudge in anything. All right. So see the context. All right. 7 days, mate. I believe this is so awesome. And here are the contacts that I have, like 3 days, 2 days. Like, oh man, I'm starting to see results and I'm happy. Well, let's check out like a little bit back. I didn't even have like any views. Like, let's see, from the 1st of July to today. All right, 2nd of July actually. Well, 311 and 34. See, I didn't really have opt-in, like so many opt-in at the beginning of the month, but for the last 7 days, I got 21 of them. Well, how I did it, I just make YouTube videos like this and just make sure that I upload them to my channels, and then just like try to share the link and promote my videos, and then people start to opt in and coming into my website, and that's how I built my traffic. And I have never paid for the ads. It's all free traffic. All right. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end this video for today. Just I'm sorry if my English is a little bit poor, but I'm trying. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Peace out, guys.